So this is an example of the type of board that's used. This particular board was made by a craftsman in Serbia, but most often we purchase boards from a couple up in upstate New York, and this is their livelihood. They create these boards from, most of the time, a poplar wood, and the surface of the wood has up to 10 layers of gesso. It's not the kind of gesso people use for acrylic. It's a natural gesso that has rabbit hide glue and marble dust in it, and it's put on in layers, and then you have to dry it, and then it has to be sanded. It's a messy, sloppy process. I'm very happy to have other people do it because it just takes a lot of time, and you really have to have a studio space that has good ventilation and a lot of time and space to lay all of this out. But often they will have braces on the back because of the amount of moisture that goes on the icons as you're building layers and layers of pigment. Sometimes the boards will warp, and so it's really helpful to have the braces on the back.